Okay, unpause it. Well, I think I can hear myself now. Just on a sound check. Take brakes off. Let's go fly. Yeah, I did quite a few flights today in the Lightning. Really good, really good. Enjoyed them a lot, but unfortunately, the sound level, the narration for what I was doing was just useless. You could hardly hear it. In fact, you probably didn't even notice I was doing it. But I think I've cured that now. I think. So apologies for that, but every time you get in and out of a different aircraft, you've got to get the sound levels correct for the video, otherwise no one's going to be able to hear you. As I found out. This is absolutely brilliant, this aircraft. I love it to bits. I'm getting to know it. I flew it back from Bentwater this morning to Liverpool and then up to Inverness, and then I flew it from Inverness to Lossiemouth, Lossiemouth to here. So I'm really pissed off that the recordings didn't come out as well as I'd hoped. This is definitely the last one for today, because most RAF pilots complain that they don't get enough flying hours, and I've been getting far too much. Okay, I just want to check one more thing. I've just seen something down here. I wondered if it's active or not. Yeah, it is. What does that do? Does this do anything? So, if we've got fuel information, we may as well have it turned on, haven't we? Right, okay. Put that behind me. Right, let's go. Let's get flying. Okay, speed brakes are in. Flaps set to 1 for takeoff. Full and free movement. Let's go. And we'll gas it down to Benbecula, I think. Quite a long runway there. Burner is on. We are supersonic. We're looking for my island. It's just up ahead here. It's an inland island. this is it, look. That's my island. Because I bagged it. What a superb aeroplane. Flies like silk. Absolutely wonderful. It's a brutal aircraft as well. Okay, on arrival, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to look at the windsock, decide which runway we're going to land on, and then we're going to do it. We're just going to do it. Okay, standing by on the throttles. Looking for the windsock. Didn't see a windsock, I'm afraid. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 round the other way. Okay, so I'm going to come in from this end and if we're not good with the wind direction, as we're probably not, can always go around. I was hoping to get a fix on the windsock on the first pass. That's that way. So we've got a like stonking crosswind here. If anything, would have been better off from this end, but it doesn't really make a great deal of difference because it's horrible whichever end we come from. So there we are, Benbecula. Do they sell German beer at Benbecula? Because I could really do with a German beer. I've been to Benbecula for a while. Need one of those fighter pilot cravats, don't I? They all had these ghastly moustaches as well, didn't they, in the 60s and the 70s. Can't be a fighter pilot unless you've got a really embarrassing moustache. Well, I think we can do without the moustache. This plane's wicked. It does, it brings a big smile to my face every time I fly this. Even though it's really, really old. I don't see why they couldn't just put new avionics in them, you know? I'm sure there's many reasons why not. Right, well, I hope that one came out because I'm not doing any more today, that's it. Thanks for watching.